what is data independence? See, the data independence means that if we make the changes at any one level of the architecture, so the higher levels will not get affected. See, the definition of the data independence is that it is the ability to change the structure storage of data at one level of database without affecting the higher level. See, in the three schema architecture, we have three levels. What are these? For highest level is the external level, which is called as the view level. Then the middle level is the conceptual level, which is also called as the logical level, and the lowest level is the internal level, which is called as the physical level. So these are the three levels of our DBMS, or we can say the three schema architecture. Okay, so here the data independence is saying that if we make the changes at any one level of the architecture, so the higher levels will not get affected. Okay, see, there are the two types of data independence. First is the logical data independence and second is the physical data independence. Logical data independence means that, see, it is the logical level. So if we make any changes in the logical level, so the higher level, which is the view level or the external level, will not get affected. Okay, this is the logical data independence. Then the second is the physical data independence. And what is this? See, the physical level, this is the physical level or the internal level. So if we make changes in the physical level, so our higher levels, which are the view level and the logical level, will not get affected. This is what the data independence is. So now if you want the full explanation of this topic, the detailed video link is in the description box. You can check it there. And for such type of exam oriented concepts, do not forget to subscribe the channel.